I'm inside the church at Magdala. This is an amazing painting that was done. There's some errors in the painting because the sandals are Roman, and Jesus would not have worn Roman sandals, but the picture behind me is of the woman with the issue of blood, and she is actually touching the hem of Jesus's garment, which is actually the wings on his garment. And this ties in the woman with the issue of blood. It also ties in 1 Samuel 24 when David went to kill Saul, but did not kill him, instead cut the wings of his garment. The wings are extremely important. In Malachi, it talks about the Son of Righteousness will rise with healing in his wings. And so here we see that. It is visible in this picture. This picture is very overwhelming. Really, truly amazing. It is an artist, obviously an artist rendition. It is not totally truthful because of the Roman sandals, but it is incredibly beautiful picture here in the church of Magdala, and representative of how healing came through those wings.